In this video, I will show you how to install Sublime Text in Ubuntu. Sublime Text is a popular text editor that many developers use to write code. The steps are simple and only take a few minutes. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time to open it. Now let's start by updating your package list. Type the command sudo apt-update and press Enter. You may be asked to enter your password, type it, and press Enter again. Next, we need to install a few packages that allow us to work with HTTPS sources. These are needed before we can add the Sublime Text repository. Type the following command, sudo aptinstall, then type this and press Enter. Let the installation complete. Now we will add the official Sublime Text repository to our system. First, we will download and store the gpgkey. This is a security key that helps Ubuntu verify the software source. Type this command showing on the screen and press Enter. Next, we need to add the repository itself. Type this command showing on the screen and press Enter. Now that the repository is added, we need to update the package list again. Type sudo apt-update and press Enter. Now we are ready to install Sublime Text. Type sudo aptinstall sublime-text and press Enter. The system will download and install Sublime Text. After the installation finishes, you can open Sublime Text by typing sub-L in your terminal and pressing Enter, or you can find it in your application menu. That's it. Sublime Text is now installed on your Ubuntu system and ready to use.